Back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete Google Chat message. So here I've already on the Google Chat tabs on my Gmail, and actually Google Chat in the past you can delete a conversations each conversation by clicking on the three dots icon, and then there is a delete chat option. But now Google Chat has get rid of the feature, so if you want to delete the message, you need to delete whole conversations on this chat. So what you need to do is click on the three dots icon, and in here you'll see there is a delete conversations, and by clicking that you'll be deleting a conversation from your history. And please be noted that this is permanent, so you can undo these actions. But if you are sure to delete the conversation, just click on delete, and after that this chats right here, this conversation will disappear. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. If you get any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye.